Hey, beautiful babe, sweet angel here. Let me share with you today a simple but powerful ingredient to help treat wrinkles and fine lines. Although several over the counter creams and beauty products are available in the market that help treat skin aging, it is best to opt for time-tested home remedies that are not only effective but also safe with no side effects. And that ingredient that I'm talking about today is olive oil. Yeah, it's olive oil. It's one of the most effective natural oils that help in diminishing wrinkles and fine lines and tightening sagging skin. It is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and natural fatty acids that nourishes the skin because it is readily absorbed by the pores. Being loaded with vitamins A and E, it functions as a powerful antioxidant and help in hydrating skin and maintaining its youthful suppleness and elasticity so that it appears younger for longer. All you have to do to use olive oil is pour a few drops of virgin oil in your palm and apply on your clean face and neck using circular motions, massaging for about 10 to 15 minutes before going to bed. Wash it off with warm water in the morning. Whether olive oil is applied to your face or body, it will penetrate deep into the skin and provide a long-lasting shield of moisture to keep your skin smooth and supple. Use it either as a night cream or daily moisturizer. It is best applied to damp skin. Water can help reduce any feeling of greasiness. Olive oil also helps in fading scars. The vitamins and minerals in olive oil help skin cells regenerate. It is incredibly beneficial for your skin. The anti-aging properties of olive oil due to the polyphenols and oleic acid contained in it. Due to the fact that olive oil does not cause allergies, you can safely use olive oil for sensitive skin. Olive oil has antibacterial properties as well, which is beneficial for treating acne on the face. By applying olive oil regularly on your skin, you will get skin that is permanently free from excess oil. This way, you will be able to get rid of blackheads, acne, and blemishes, which are common on oily skin.
They said, slow down, your time's done. But I'm just getting started, hun. Got a fire burning under my skin. You can call it my second wind, my second wind, my second chance. I'm still